Hello, I'm Max. This is Language Motivator, and the idea is to motivate you and to help you learning languages and help you in life in general. Yeah, with good intentions and some love. Yeah, to my viewers. Why not? I'm going to speak today about the difference between Sein and Haben in German, the verb to be or to have in perfect. So the question is, when do I use haben and when do I use sein? Yeah. So perfect is subject plus haben or sein in the present tense plus a participle. We use haben when the verb is transitive. So this is the rule. There are many exceptions. So we use haben when the verb is transitive. What does transitive mean? It means that you can use the action to apply a modification or a change or perception. Yeah, if you can have a direct object with that verb. For example, can you drink something? Yes. So the verb is transitive. So you're gonna use haben for perfect. Yeah, ich habe getrunken. Yeah, I have drunk. Is for example, can you fall something? Yeah, kannst du etwas fallen? The answer is no. You cannot fall something. Yeah, you can drop something, but you cannot fall it. So you're gonna use sein. Yeah, in the perfect, ich bin gefallen. Other verbs that use haben are essen, to eat, sehen, to see. Yeah, you can see something. Yeah, riechen, to smell. Yeah, berühren, to touch. Kaufen, to buy. Ja, ich habe gekauft. Verkaufen, to sell, ich habe verkauft, ja, oder ich habe gekauft, ich habe verkauft, ja, to rent, ich habe gemietet, ja, you can rent something, you can buy something, you can sell something, these are going to use haben. Other verbs that use sein, ja, gehen, ja, ich bin gegangen. The verb, for example, ankommen, ja, ich bin angekommen. The verb to arrive, yeah, you cannot arrive something, then you say, yeah, with ankommen, yeah, ich bin angekommen. The verb to come, yeah, ich bin gekommen, you cannot come something. The verb the verb sterben, to die, you cannot die something. You can kill it, certainly, I would not recommend it, but you can die something. Yeah, you cannot die something. So ich bin gestorben, which is a very strange thing to say. Yeah, I have died. I recommend you this film. Yeah, the Evil Dead, but it's not a very common everyday thing. Yeah, to experience. So some exceptions. So these are verbs that are intransitive, but still use the verb haben. Mainly two categories of exceptions. The first category is, so the two categories are weather verbs that have to do with the weather phenomena, and verbs that have to do with the body, with the metabolism or the biorhythm. So verbs that have to do with the weather, yeah, regnen, to rain. You cannot rain something. Of course, you can use this poetically, but usually you cannot rain something. Yeah. So es hat geregnet. To snow, yeah, you cannot snow something, but still is an exception. Yeah, es hat geschneit. Or to hail, yeah, es hat gehagelt, and so on. Other verbs is gewittern, gewittern or nebeln, yeah. The other exceptions are verbs that have to do with the body. For example, schlafen, yeah? You cannot sleep something. I guess you could imagine sleeping something, but I think it's a bit poetic. So let's agree on the fact that you cannot sleep something. So it should be with sein, but it's not, yeah? So verbs that have to do with the body, like to sleep, to cough, to yawn, to cry, to smile, to laugh, those verbs are with haben. Ja? Ich habe gelacht, I have laughed. Ich habe gelächelt, I have smiled. Ich habe geweint, I have cried. I have whined. Ja, ich habe geschlafen, I already said that. Ich habe gehustet, ja, I have coughed. Ich habe gegähnt, ja, I have yawned. And exception of an exception, so ich bin eingeschlafen. To fall asleep, ja, is still with sein. Ja, ich bin eingeschlafen. Einschlafen is still with sein. Very well. I hope that was useful. I hope to see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a like and press the bell button if you want to have a notification whenever I have a new video to offer. Thanks and see you soon. Have a nice day.